Hey, what's up guys? Alien Rides here, and we're back with the Rion RE60. Today we're going to be racing the Rion RE60 against the Sur Ron electric bike over here, and we're going to see which one's faster. So we'll do some acceleration tests, some top speed runs, things like that. So the Rion RE60 is the newest member in the Rion Racing Edition family. It's going for $3,900, which is a really approachable price point for this power scooter. The Sur Ron, on the other hand, is a totally awesome beast of an electric bike. So the Sur Ron has a 60-volt battery system with 32 amp hours, and it comes out to about 5,200 watts. The Rion is rocking a 68-volt battery system with 12,800 watts of power and 21 amp hours. If you're interested in either of these two, you can find a link to them in the video description below, so definitely check them out. So let's go ahead and race these two and we'll see which one's faster. Subscribe and let's ride. All right, so I'm gonna start off riding the Sur Ron. First time riding it, feels really nice though. So let's see how it goes. Rolling start. 3, 2, 1, go. This thing feels super stable, super awesome, but that Rion just really pulls on it. This is really nice though. This is a really nice bike. 3, 2, 1, go. I can hear the Rion just ripping out, losing traction. All right, so let's switch now. I'll take the Rion. I got it. All right, guys, now I'm trying the RE60. My buddy's on the Sur Ron, and we're gonna see if it makes much of a difference. 3, 2, 1. This thing is amazing. The acceleration curve is super smooth, but if you gun it, of course, it just has so much power. The tires just lose traction and spin. It's awesome. Tons of power.
Ready?
Yep.
Go.
Here we go. Let's see if I can catch him. Got so much power. It's still spinning tires like crazy. Man, that was not even full throttle. I caught him doing super quick. I'm back on the Sur Ron now, and we're just gonna cruise back. A couple fun little races there. It's crazy how much torque those small Rion motors have though, and how much they just spin when you accelerate. That chirping sound is awesome. That's the sound of the tires just spinning out. It's all the power. I can't get it to spin on the Sur Ron, but and both these are a lot of fun. Just wanted to do some tests today. All right, guys, I think that's all we got for now. We're just gonna cruise back. Just want to do a little race of these two vehicles. Definitely plan on making more videos, hopefully of both of them in the future, because the Sur Ron's a ton of fun. The Rion RE60 is a ton of fun. It'd just be cool to do more with them. Leave me a comment if you like this video. Let me know what you'd like to see more of. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all next time.